Still driving an old car? Want it to feel like a brand new 2025 model with just one smart upgrade? Let me show you how Wind Booster can completely transform your ride. This is the Wind Booster, a powerful throttle controller that changes how your car responds to your accelerator. It makes your car more responsive, smoother, and even safer. Control it with your smartphone via Bluetooth or use the built-in panel. You get 9 driving modes to fit any situation: Sport, Sport Plus, Race, Drag, Valet, Anti-Slip, Eco, iAuto, and Normal. Want to know what each one does? I'll explain that right after we install it. Installation? Super easy. Just find the pedal sensor under your dash, unplug the factory cable, plug the Wind Booster in between, and boom, you're done in 2 minutes. No cutting wires, no tools, just plug and play. Let's break down what each mode does. Sport boosts throttle response for daily sporty driving. Each mode has 9 levels to choose, 1 for lowest and 9 for highest level of the mode. Sport Plus, sharper, more aggressive, perfect for highway overtakes. Race, maximum performance for spirited driving. Drag, instant response for quick launches, 0 delay. Valet mode reduces throttle power so others can't drive your car too hard, perfect when lending your keys to someone. Anti-slip reduces sensitivity in slippery roads. Eco, save fuel with smoother acceleration. iAuto automatically adapts to your driving style. Normal, back to factory mode anytime. You can switch modes directly on the Wind Booster panel or use the mobile app for full control over Bluetooth. Even if you unplug the panel, the app still works. No need to keep the panel visible if you like a clean dash. There are not only these modes you can do. You can also lock your car, the gas pedal, so nobody could drive your car until you unlock it. Just go to Setting, lock your car, and put the PIN code. Moreover, you also can change the app interface to the one which is comfortable for you. There are 3 interfaces to choose: the marquee interface, the Ferris wheel interface, and the grid interface. So why should you use Wind Booster? Because it makes your car feel brand new. Whether you're looking for performance, fuel economy, or safety, it puts control in your hands. Simple to install, smart to use, and it turns your old car into a modern driving machine. Like what you saw? Hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want to feel the difference in your car with Wind Booster.